Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to log into our GFL employee account. So let's get started. So to log into your GFL employee account, first of all you have to open up a browser. After opening up a browser, in search bar you can search for GFL employee login. After searching for GFL employee login, you'll come up to this page, and from here what you can do is just tap on this first option which says sign in or sign up for GFL employees. So after tapping on that, you'll come up to this login page, and from here what you can do is just scroll down, and here you can find sign in with your social account, GFL employee login. So just tap on that option, and after tapping on that option, now you can log into your GFL account by just entering your email address or your phone number, or if you have a Skype account you just have to enter that. So after entering your email address, now you can enter your password. After entering your account's password, you can just tap on sign in, and after tapping on sign in, you'll successfully sign into your account. But if you have forgotten your account's password, then what you can do is just tap on forgot password, and after tapping on forgot password, you can easily reset or recover your account's password. After doing that, you can just create a new password for your account. Then after creating a new account, just come back to this sign in page and then enter the new password that you have created, and then tap on sign in, and after tapping on sign in, you'll successfully sign into your GFL employee account. That's it guys, this is how to log into your GFL employee account. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.